like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new and coming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. It's a bold statement, but we have the best inventory. We get the best makes and models in. We do walk around videos. We're fully transparent. Our pricing is excellent. We have a lot of repeat clients, wholesale clients, export clients, and we do high volume of vehicles, hundreds of vehicles a month. So now you're looking at a 2018 Ford SHO, Ford Taurus SHO. Has front and rear end collision damage. It's got low miles, I believe 34,000 miles. Right now you're looking at the engine compartment. Engine is sitting in place. Radiator and condenser looks good. Upper radiator support looks good. The motor does runs well. Let's take a look at the body. The radiator is good. Condenser is good. It's holding fluid. Frame rails look good. Just looks like bolt-on parts. Got the tabs bent here, but that'll straighten out. You don't have to replace the frame rail because of that. Same on this side. Need a bolt-on. Left headlight. Front bumper assembly. Hood is good. Right fender is good. Right front door is intact. Suspension's all sitting in place. Right rear door is good. The right rear quarter is good. Looks like it has some damage on the bottom here. The exhaust looks like it's damaged over there. Rear trunk looks like it's usable. So the majority of the damage looks like another vehicle rear-ended it and went underneath this vehicle, damaging the exhaust system and rear trunk floor. So you need exhaust from the cat back, the cat back. You need a full exhaust. You can probably find one used, pretty cheap. You need a trunk floor, rear body panel. Probably work with this trunk. It looks a little twisted. I would change it. Probably the same as a regular Taurus. Parts are all the same for a Taurus. Doesn't matter SHO or not. Engine and suspension parts are different. The exhaust might be different, but the body parts are all the same, I would imagine. This side looks good too. No buckles in the roof. Nice. Take a look inside. Nice leather interior. No airbags deployed. I think that's the rear bumper in the back seat over there. Really nice. You can tell this is like a low mileage car. Interior looks real nice. Clean. No signs of wear. Post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.